For this problem, we're going to find the domain of a function and then evaluate the function at a given value. We want to find the domain of the function f of x equals the square root of 4 minus 5x, and then we're going to evaluate the function at the value x equals negative 1. Because this is a square root function and the square root has an even index, we want to make sure that this radicand is positive, or 0. So we'll take the radicand, 4 minus 5x, and we'll just set that greater than or equal to 0, and then solve this inequality for x. We begin by subtracting 4 from both sides, so we'll have negative 5x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Next, we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. Remember that when you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative, you need to switch the direction of the inequality. So we'll get x is now less than or equal to 4/5. And so that's our domain. It's a set of x values such that x is less than or equal to 4/5. Now we want to evaluate the function, the value x equals negative 1. In function notation, we want to find f of negative 1. So we just need to substitute the value negative 1 for x in our function definition. So we'll have the square root of 4 minus 5 times negative 1. This will give us 4, and a negative times a negative is positive, so we'll have 4 plus 5. So we have the square root of 9, which is 3.